You can now use Google Slides in your Sendspark videos. So when you generate the videos, you can have each one saying a different name, and then it will actually scroll through your slide deck in presentation mode. So it'll look like this if I play the one for Selena.
Hi, Selena. I just generated this video using...
Just turn off the sound. So you can see it's like scrolling through the slide deck. And all you need for this is a Google slide, and just make sure that this is set to be publicly viewable so that it can be viewed in the videos. And then when you're creating the videos, what you can do is, you have your original video that's you. You can set a dynamic background. So this is going to make sure that something shows behind you, and then you can change the scroll effects. For this, I'd recommend scrolling down, but not back up. So it'll just keep going through your deck. And then you can set up the landing page. So this is how the video is going to look when it's shared. And then when you add your contacts, what you would do is, add the name, and then here in the background URL field, then you can just take the link to the deck, paste it here, and then hit review and generate, and your video will be ready to go in 1 to 2 minutes. So this is a really easy way to create personalized videos for different people that each say their name, but show the same slide deck of you sliding through. I hope you enjoy, and this helps you save time and personalize your outreach at scale. All right, see ya.